I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials and taking the first actionable steps now. First, make sure Windows 10 is updated and restart if pending updates exist, because drivers won't reattach properly until after a reboot. Next, open Device Manager and enable View Show Hidden Devices. This will reveal adapters that Windows hid. Finally, open an elevated command prompt and run netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset. These commands clear network stack errors, so drivers can re-register. Once done with the resets, focus on the drivers because missing adapters are usually a driver issue. In Device Manager, right-click any missing or grayed-out adapter and choose Uninstall. If prompted, check Delete Driver Software to remove corrupted files. After uninstalling, use Action Scan for hardware changes to force Windows to detect the adapter and attempt a reinstall. If Windows fails to find a driver, download the correct network driver from your PC maker or chipset vendor and install it manually to restore the device. To finish, reboot the system after any driver installs so Windows initializes the adapter cleanly. Once restarted, check network connections and run the built-in network troubleshooter to diagnose remaining issues. Make sure services like WLAN Auto Config or DHCP are set to automatic in services. If the adapter still doesn't appear, try a system restore to a point when networking worked, or for desktops and accessible laptop modules, reseat or replace the physical card. Key tip: if drivers reinstall but no hardware appears, suspect a hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.